Yummy dirt cake, vegetarian no-bake diner style. Time to done. 3 hours 10 minutes. Yield 12 servings. Ingredients: 1. 14.3 ounce, package Oreo registered trademark cookies. 1. 8 ounce, package cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup powdered sugar. 1. 16 ounce, tub whipped topping, can substitute 4 cups whipped cream. 2. 3.4 ounce, boxes instant white chocolate or vanilla pudding. 3 cups milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions. Step 1. Crush the cookies in a large resealable plastic bag or in a food processor until they are crumbs. Step 2. Press 2/3 of the cookie crumbs into the bottom of a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Step 3. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and the butter together using a hand mixer until smooth. Step 4. Add the powdered sugar and beat until combined. Step 5. Fold in the whipped topping until well combined. Step 6. In a separate bowl, mix the pudding mix, the milk, and the vanilla and let it sit until thickened. Step 7. Fold the pudding mixture into the cream cheese mixture. Step 8. Carefully pour the pudding mixture over the crumb crust. Step 9. Sprinkle the top of the pudding with the remaining cookie crumbs. Step 10. Refrigerate until chilled, about 3 to 4 hours. Step 11. Serve and enjoy. Lastly, get the full recipe in the description. Have a great day.